In this video, we're going to go over the forms needed for an uncontested divorce in Alabama. If you're looking to file a divorce by yourself without a lawyer, or if you're just looking into the process to see what things you're going to need to get together, this video will help walk you through that process. If you'll look in the description, I'll have a link to this document here that we're going to go over that will have the links to all of these necessary documents. What I've got here is really for Etowah County, Alabama. In Alabama, each county is going to have different requirements. This is the requirement for Etowah County. So my name's Sam Bone. I'm an Alabama uncontested divorce attorney. If you need help with an uncontested divorce, I can help you do that, even if it's just a couple questions. So first form that's needed is a divorce complaint. And this is all the forms I'm going to give you are just e-forms, which are the ones that the courts give you. So here's the first one. Right here is a divorce complaint. You will fill that out first. Okay. Next, you will have an answer. The other party will fill out the answer. So the complaint here begins the divorce. It lets the court know, hey, I want a divorce. This form here, the answer is the other party, your spouse's response to the request for a divorce. Okay. Your third one is going to be an agreement, and there's no e-form for this, so you'll have to draw that up yourself. Next is a deposition or a plaintiff's testimony, and here's that form here that you'll fill out. And these forms are going to need to be filled out in front of a notary. Next is your CS-41 or your income affidavit. Each of you will have to fill one of these out, and this is letting the court know what your income is for purposes of child support. Even if you're agreeing to no child support, each of you have to fill this out. This form here is the CS-42, which is your child support guideline form, which is how you compute child support. You fill this out. This form here is a CS-43, which is you guys agreeing that you have either complied with the guidelines, or here you check this box if you're not complying with the guidelines. Instead, doing something different, you have to write out what the child support guidelines would be so that each party has an idea of what child support would be under the guidelines. Next is the CS-47, and this will go to the state for purposes of documenting child support and getting in touch with you to get your child support to you if you're receiving child support. Here is a final judgment of divorce that the court will sign, but you'll fill this out beforehand. So those are all the forms that are needed for a do-it-yourself basic divorce with kids. It can be a little bit more complicated than that depending on what the issues are, but this is just basic. If you're filling this out and you're getting stuck, call me. We'll set up an appointment and do a Zoom, or you can come in and we'll try to get you through your rut.